He bought some snacks. Who is that? That Porter? You just got that car? Nah, he got it. He was in the other lane. If there was a car coming, he would have.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy B, the hottest YouTuber up north. I'm at the exhaust shop right now with my Infiniti G35xs. I just got my exhaust put on, ISR exhaust put on, single exit coming out. Let me show y'all that, boy. Let me show you that. Let me show you that. Coming out to the side, it's like that. I'm gonna give y'all some rolling clips of everything. This thing sounds crazy. I'm getting test pipes, I'm getting headers, everything gonna sound way better. If you're new to my channel and you're coming just for cars, I'm gonna be dropping more shit. Make sure you give me the 1K. What's good, YouTube? I didn't get to finish this clip, so this is like a week later from the first part of this video. But yeah, I got an ISR, catback exhaust, I got it installed. But yeah, I just got it installed. I had dual pipes. Now I got the single exit. I'm gonna give y'all a cold start. If y'all hear my thing, get close so they can hear. See, I got it now. As you can see, man, single exit, 3-inch pipe. I'm gonna give y'all some runs. I'm gonna give y'all a flyby. Cold start sound good. If y'all definitely want a single exit exhaust for your G35, G37, I definitely recommend getting this ISR. It wasn't that expensive, but I definitely suggest getting it. I'm gonna give y'all a flyby. Stay tuned. Yeah, this is the cabin noise. With the window down, you can hear it. Not that bad, but with the window up, can't hear it. Like, it's a little quiet. I like that it's quiet in the cabin. When you in the car, it's quiet, but it sounds good, man. Sound good. Wait, get a green light. Let me hurry up and go. Ignore my tire light. I had to remove my sensors. Don't worry, I don't got a flat tire. You're telling it. Turn on this so y'all can hear it real quick. I'm gonna let these cars go. And I'm gonna do a whole pull for y'all. Yeah, ready? Hear that? It sounds good, man. Like, it sounds real good. It's like I feel like I added mad horsepower to my car. Slow down for this car in front of me. I hate when people just slam on their brakes like that. I just hate that. Peep the Tesla. Peep the Tesla. Yeah, I might give y'all a couple flybys. Then we gotta hop on the highway, little bys type shit. As you can see, it sounds beautiful. Let me get back to y'all. Sound good? Mad cops on this highway. I should even get a good video. All these cops out here. Yeah, I hop back on the highway. That shit sounds good as fuck. We about to hop back on the highway. This is really illegal. We're gonna take this left turn. Yo,
I ain't even get the tunnel part, nigga.
I got the tunnel part. We gotta just take this left.
Huh?
And we gotta hop back on the highway.
Alright.
We can do it now.
What left?
This one right here. Follow me. Come on, man. This nigga. I gotta wait for my boy. Alright, ready? I'm gonna throw that bitch in sport. Alright, let's throw that too. Bad wind. I'd take him. What? Come here. I'd take you. Come on. Oh, he coming. Oh, he coming. Oh, he coming. Oh, he coming. You coming? Come here, little. Come here, little. This nigga gonna blow up, try to catch a revealer. This nigga gonna blow up, try to catch a revealer. This nigga gonna blow up, try to catch a revealer. Fuck down, nigga. You better slow the fuck down, little nigga. You better slow the fuck down. Oh, man. Alright. Oh, man. Oh, man. It's a bad day for the Volkswagen Kings. It's gonna be a bad day. It's gonna be a bad day. It's gonna be a bad day for him. Bad day for him, Icy. Man, it's gonna be a bad day for you, man. It's alright. Shout out to the Volkswagen that tried to race me. This shit is slow as fuck. No bad. He can't keep up, no bad, nigga. I put my bitch in sport mode. It's over with. Like, I gotta put my shit in sport mode. He just don't want no beef. That's it. That's it, man. As y'all can see, I feel like it's ready till I get my big turbo, test pipes, all of that. Make sure if you're new to my channel and you want more car videos, make sure you stay tuned. But this is what I do on the basis. I'm a mechanic and I work on my car. Stay tuned.
Hey, after this, no more beatboxing. Fuck these niggas talking about when I drop the whole city watching.